In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert drop-down list in Smartsheet. Selection Setup 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. Sign in the way you usually do, whether that's with your email and password or using your organization's single sign-on. No special setup is needed here. Just log in and you're good to go. After you sign in, you'll land on your home page. This is the central hub where you can find your workspaces, sheets, and recent items. On the left side, look for the section that shows your workspaces. Click the option to view all workspaces so the panel expands and reveals everything you have access to. Choose any existing workspace you want to use for this setup. Once you're inside the workspace, pick the sheet where you want the dropdown to live. The dropdown will become a new column on the sheet, so make sure you're in the correct place before moving on. Inside the sheet, move your cursor to the far right over the last column header. You'll see a 3 dots icon appear. This opens the column menu. Click it, then choose Insert Column Right. You can also insert to the left if you prefer, but adding to the right often keeps your structure tidy and makes the new field easy to spot. When the new column appears, give it a clear, descriptive name so people instantly understand what they're selecting. Next, change the column type to Dropdown. This is the key step that turns the column into a list of preset choices. In the dropdown settings, you'll see two useful options. Allow multiple values per cell lets users choose more than one item from the list. Turn this on if the field is more like tags or categories. Leave it off if you want a single, definitive selection. Restrict to list values only ensures users can only pick from your predefined options. Enable this to keep data clean and consistent. If you want to allow custom entries in special cases, leave it disabled. Now, enter your drop-down values. Keep them short, consistent, and unambiguous. You can add as many as you need and adjust the order to highlight the most common choices. When everything looks right, click OK. Your new drop-down column will appear immediately on the sheet, ready to use. Click into any cell in that column to confirm you can select the values you just created. That's it. You've added a drop-down column in Smartsheet, set the right behavior, and created a clean, selectable list for your team.